Good morning, students. So today we'll just start our next lesson, English. So first our lesson we finished, that is Meet My Family. We learnt about our own families in our first lesson. After that, second lesson, meeting and greeting friends in school. Okay, meeting, how we just meet with our friends, and after meeting, how we will just greet them, means how just we will wish them. This we learned in our lesson number 2. First lesson, meet my family. About our family we learned in that lesson. That was lesson number 1. And lesson number 2, meeting and greeting friends in school. Yes, we meet our friends in the school and then in the ground also, when we will just go in the evenings to play. And in that also we learn so many things like sports. I said before also that the sports games are two types, which are played indoor and outdoor. Indoor means the games which we play by sitting at home, like ludo, chess, carom. Such type of games are called indoor games. Outdoor games means the games or sports which we play outside on the ground only. For basketball, volleyball, cricket, we need particular ground, big ground we need. So those sports are called outdoor games. We cannot play at home. These type of games like chess, carom, we will just sit in our home and can play. So once again, before taking a third lesson, before I start the third lesson, I gave the information of first lesson and second lesson. All the exercises we covered, you understood nicely and you did also. You send me the homework and I checked it. It is really perfect. Okay. So now I think we should start lesson number 3. Okay. Yes. That our lesson number 3. Learning good manners. Okay. Now lesson number 3. I'll just take out a screenshot copy on the board also. You can see. Third lesson we are going to start. All of you students, just open the page number 23, learning good manners. What is good manners? You know, any one of you? Yes, means in our first lesson also, we learned that in our family that we have to respect, we have to obey our teachers and parents. So these only points will come in good manners. Unless and until you won't have a good manners, you won't be like a good boy or girl. So better we have to learn the good manners. Always means we have to respect, we have to listen to our parents, whatever they say, because we are small, but parents know very well about us. So we have to just listen to them. So in this lesson, in this third lesson, today we are going to learn about learning means kuch janna, about good manners and bad manners. So bad manners we have to just remove and just listen, and you have to just focus on good manners. Now we will start. Let's look and read. Okay, now you can see the picture. One boy is standing with his father. All of you open the page number 23. Yes, in this actually a page, you just see 3 images are given. Okay, now we will just cover the first image, what it is written. I'll read it. Okay, Papa, I think I have missed the school bus. Oh, thank you, Papa. I will take you in my car. Now you see here, first of all, you just see who is telling. Here, the boy is telling to his father, Papa, I think I have missed the school bus. Boy is telling to his father that he missed the school bus. And sometimes it happens with you also, na? Yes. So always you have to follow the punctuality. You should be time. Get up early and make yourself ready to go to school on time. Okay. Now here the boy is telling, Papa, I think I have missed the bus. So what the Papa replies, look at that picture. I will take you in my car. Here you see outside of the house, boy along with his father standing, and that boy is ready to go to school with his school bag, and Papa is just waiting for the bus to come, and he is holding a briefcase also. It means after leaving a child, after leaving that boy, after leaving his baby, then he is supposed to go to office. So here what now he has to do? Because they missed the bus. So what they have to do? His father said, okay, beta, you just don't worry. I'll just drop you in my car. Huh? You just don't worry. Sometimes it happens, but never you just do it. You should be on time only. So here father says, I will take you in my car. So what the boy replies, oh, thank you, Papa, because he likes to go to school. So he was actually missing that already I missed my school bus. Then how I'll go to school? So Papa says, don't worry, you just don't be worried. I'll drop you in my car. Now look at that picture is over, that image. Have you understood? I explained na? Yes. Now, look at the second image. Okay, look at this second image. Wait, Anurag. So now you see in our first lesson only, we just come to know about the Anurag's family. Okay, do you remember the Anurag's sister name? Yes, Pooja. Okay, and here also you see Anurag. Wait, Anurag, here is your tiffin box. Who is telling? Who is telling? His mother. And what is his mother? His mother is a teacher. You know, na? Yes. In our first lesson, he introduced father, mother with grandparents and with sister Pooja. And one Sparky puppy also, na? Yes, you remembered. Yes, yes, yes. So now you see here, Anurag actually forgot his tiffin at home. So here, mother is telling to Anurag, wait, Anurag, you actually forgot to take your tiffin box. You just take your tiffin box, okay? Now you can see in this picture, okay? Now what Anurag says after taking the tiffin, okay, no problem. Anurag's mother is a teacher, but somewhere mother is also there na. But then also he just think to thanks mama. You do like this way. If suppose your mother gives you the work and or gives you a nice food, tasty food. So what you have to say? Thank you. If suppose now whatever your parents are doing for you, you have to always respect them and say thank you. These points only comes under a good manners. ये सभी जो चीजें रहती है गुड मैनर्स में रहती है. उसकी मम्मी टीचर है, लेकिन मम्मी है तो डोंट थिंक लाइक दैट कि हमको नहीं बोलना है थैंक यू. नो, वी हैव टू रेस्पेक्ट. सो नाउ यू सी, आपकी मम्मी ने अनुराग की मम्मी ने टिफिन लाया ना, तो उसके लिए तो बिकॉज उसने भूल गया था टिफिन लाना, और टिफिन लाना भूल गया. जब लंच होता था तो व्हाट ही वाज गोइंग टू ईट? Nothing, na? So it is the thing that mother actually carried a tiffin with her, and now she is actually giving the tiffin to Anurag. So here, do you understand what I explained you? Now we will just go to a next image. Just wait for a second. I'll just take out the next page. Okay? Yes. Now here, page number. All of you just open the page number 24. Yes. Yes. Look at this picture now. Huh? This is a school. Do you enjoy going to school? Yes, na? Yes, even Anurag also. Now we will just see what that boy is telling. May I carry your books, Miss Basu? Now you see here Anurag is asking to his teacher, may I carry your books? How politely he is just talking to the miss. Even you also talks like this way only, na? Yes. So we have to respect. This is a good manners. We have to learn. May I carry your books? Suppose you want to go for your washrooms also. Then what you have to say? May I go to washroom? Like this way only you ask, na? May I take your notebook? If suppose you need your friend's notebook, what you say? Will you please give me your notebook? Yes, na? Yes, this is a good manner. So now you see, Miss Basu is a teacher. Whose teacher? Anurag's teacher. So he is just taking a permission and he is just asking, may I carry your books, Miss Basu? Because maybe she is having so many books. So now what she says, thank you, Anurag. Means she replied, her miss replied, thank you, Anurag. Yes. So this is a good manners. Now next, look at this next picture. Do you remember this picture? Yes. With friends. Yes. 5 friends he were having. Jay, Kabir. Remember? No? Forgot? Oh. Now again you just read that lesson. You will get it all the friends name. Now all of you, this is actually the picture of garden. Yes, where Anurag used to go every day. For what we will do? What we will do in the garden? Huh? What we will do? We'll play. So now you first of all tell me his friends' names. Yes, you forgot. I understood. Yes. So one is Kabir and second one is Gurmeet. You remember? Third one, Roy. And fourth one, Harita. And fifth one, Jay. So these are the 5 friends. Okay, you remember? But I didn't forget. I remember. So 5 friends names, even you have to remember. These are the Anurag's friends. Now here, who is telling whom and what? Now look at this picture. I'll just read it. Huh? It's all right. Oh, Kabir, I'm so sorry. Are you hurt? Now you see, who is telling here? Who is telling here? Anurag. You see, Anurag throws a ball. It hits his friend Kabir. Anurag is playing in the garden, and when he throwed a ball, it just hit the Kabir. It just hit Kabir. Kabir is Anurag's friend. उस अनुराग जब बॉल के साथ खेल रहा था तो वो बॉल कबीर को लग गया और उसको it hurt it. उसको लग गया जोर से. So what he says, oh Kabir, I'm so sorry. Are you hurt? मतलब आपको लग गया. Who is telling? Anurag is asking to Kabir. आप लोग भी garden में जाते हो. When you just play there in the garden. So such type of things happens na. So will you say sorry to your friends? Yes, you have to say sorry to your friends. So because now you see it is wrong. We have to play there, but don't hit anyone. So but unfortunately it happened. But here Anurag says, I'm so sorry, Kabir. By mistake it happened. It hurts you. I'm so sorry. Who is telling? Anurag says to Kabir. Now what Kabir replies, we will see. It's all right, Anurag. It's all right. It's okay. Don't worry. Who is telling here? Kabir is telling to Anurag. कि ठीक है, डरने की कोई बात नहीं है, तुम घबराओ नहीं, इट्स ऑल राइट अनुराग, बट डोंट हिट सो हार्ड नेक्स्ट टाइम। मैंने बोला ना कि अगर हम लोग गार्डन में खेलते हैं, सो वी हैव टू प्ले peacefully. Your ball or whatever you are just props using in the garden, it should not hurt anyone. So here Kabir is telling to Anurag, next time onwards, don't hit me in this way. Okay, it hit me too hard. So don't do like this. Who is telling here? Kabir says to Anurag. Okay, understood this picture? Yes, once again I'll read. Okay, here Anurag is playing with a ball and he hits his friend. What is his friend name? Kabir. Yes, but here when he felt Anurag, he saw that ball hit Kabir. So he just asked the sorry. He just said the sorry to Kabir. Sorry, Kabir. Actually, by mistake it happened. I'm so sorry. So what Kabir replied? Here Kabir said, okay, no problem. It is all right, Anurag. But next time onwards, better you just take precautions. Okay? Yes. So this we had learned our lesson, good manners. Okay? This is also a good manner. कभी किसी को लग जाता है, कुछ हो जाता है, by mistake it happens, so we have to say sorry. And if suppose something, if you are asking with your friends, so how you will just ask, may I take your book? Will you please give me your book? I want to write it. This is the way of asking anyone. Okay? Yes, in this page number 24, we learn. Now we will just come to page number 25. Okay? Yes. Yes. Just a second. I'll just take out the screenshot paper. Yes. Now, page number 25. Okay. Now, once again, look at this picture. Next one. Yes. Now, page number. May I, who is asking now? We will see. Huh? May I go out and play, mummy? Here, Anurag is taking a permission from mother Anita. You remember na? Huh? Anurag's mother name? Anita. And she is a professionally teacher. So, what then mother says? Yes, go out and play. What she says? Go out and play. Means she is allowing him to go to ground and play because he wants to play outdoor games. Who? Anurag. So before going for playing in the garden or playground, he is asking a permission from his mother. May I go out and play? These are all good manners. Even you have to just follow it. May I go out and play, mummy? How politely he is asking and which way he is using. Now you just see all of you. Yes, this is only the way of asking and taking permission, whatever you do. Okay? Yes, so then what her mother says? Yes, beta, you just go out and play. So afterwards, what he says? Oh, thank you, mummy. Yes, even our mother says that like this only. Thank you, mummy. So it looks very nice. Now look at that next picture. What they all are doing? This is the picture of a school. Outside of the classes, all these students are standing. And something that girl is telling to those three boys. Excuse me, boys. Let me enter the class. They are just actually standing near the door. So how can this girl will take a entry inside the class? So before going to the class, if sometimes you are late, so and all your friends are sitting in the class, even your miss is there in the class. So what you will say? Excuse me, may I come inside? So here what she says, excuse me boys, let me enter the class, because they are standing there. She needs a way to go inside the class. उसको क्लास के अंदर जाने के लिए जगह चाहिए, रास्ता चाहिए. So what she is asking, excuse me boys, just give me a place to get me inside the class. So what the boy says, oh sorry, please go in Harita. Yes, you see. Do you remember? Harita, Kabir, Anurag, Roy, Jay, Gurmeet. They all are friends, na? Yes. So now here, oh, sorry. Please go in, Harita. The girl name is Harita. And here they are standing. Who? Even in this, Kabir is also there. And rest of the two boys. Before actually giving a place, here Harita, how she asked, excuse me, boys, let me enter the class. But sometimes what happens, na? You all of you actually don't take any permission and you just come inside the class. This is wrong. Whenever you just take a entry means when you just get inside the class, before getting in, you have to take the permission from your miss. So what you have to say, may I come in, miss? Like this way, you have to take the permission from your teacher, from your miss. But here, the boys, 3 boys are standing near the door outside of the class. So from where she will take a entry to go inside the class. So she is asking, who is she? Here, the girl is Harita. She is asking, excuse me, boys, will you just please give me a place to get inside the class? So then the boy says, oh, sorry, please go in, Harita, because they know they are standing on a wrong place. They should be very aside and discuss whatever they want to do. So these 3 pages today we just learned, page number 23, 24 and 25. And we learned so many new things of good manners. So even you just go through the rest of the pages also, and what are the good manners in our next class. Again, we will just start, but you also read and explain me. I'll ask some questions afterwards. Before taking our next class, you have to give me the answers. Okay, homework I will send you through WhatsApp. You just do it, and once again read these pages, page number 23, 24, 25. Okay, so have you understood, all of you students? Yes. So now you just read and read. If you find any difficulty, if you find any hard word, you just ask me. I'll explain you once again. Okay, so here page number 23, 24, 25 finished. Read it, write the hard words. Okay, yes. Now next class we will just start from page number 26. Till that time, take care and follow the precautions. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you all of you. Goodbye.